In this video, we will see font setting and visual effects in Excel. If you want to customize your text to give it the exact look, you can add a variety of font styles and colors to your text. Please subscribe this channel, like and share the video with your friends. Select the text first. The default font of this text is Times New Roman. Pick a new font from here. You can type the font name if you know. Suppose Cambria is there. See the font changed here. Now you can try the another fonts also by just picking the font from this list. If you want to change the size of the font, select the text and change the font size of your text from here. The default size is 12. You can change it to larger one or smaller one like this. The preview you can find here. To increase the font size a bit bigger, you can use this button also in this way, and to decrease the font size a bit smaller, you can use this button, decrease font size, in this way. If you want to make your text bold, select the text which you want to make bold, then use this button to make the text bold. If you want to italicize your text, select the text and go to this button, italic. It will show the italicize. If you want underline, click here for underline. If you want to customize the underline, click here to switch between the single and double underline. See, this is the effect. It is the switch between the single and double underline. Fill color command color the background of cell to make them stand out. For that, select the cells and click on this fill color. We can use the different theme colors from here. Or you can use the standard color. Here some standard colors are there. If you don't want any fill color, then click here for no fill. It will remove the fill color. If you want to customize the more shades of color, go to this drop down menu and choose the last option, more color. Here you can select the different shades In this preview you can observe the changes like that. In detail, if you want to customize the different shades of color, click on custom. It will give the variety of the shades of selected color from this bar. Click OK button. Now to change the font color of the selected text, click here. You can change the text color in this way. Apart from this, if you want to add some other visual effects, then select the text, suppose this name, and click here and add such a effect like strike through. The preview you can see here what will happen with the text. See, click OK. See the visual effect. Another effect, superscript. See what is the effect of superscript. It will take the position of the index. See. And the third effect is subscript. To add the suffix, you can use this effect. Okay. To apply the borders to our table, select the table. You can change the border type from this drop down menu. You can pick any of this type of border, all borders. It will add the grid like this. If you want to remove the borders, again click here and click on no border. Okay. Another way, you can use this button draw border to draw the outside border. Just drag the cell to which we want outside border. This is the outside border. If you want a grid, then click here, draw border grid, and select the table. It will add a border grid in this way. If you want to erase the border, use the option erase border. Like eraser, you can erase all the borders or specific border in this way. You can change the line color of the border using this option. See, this is the red color which we choose. To change the line style, use this option, line style, for the borders. Sometimes you want the border style like dash dash dash. See the effect. To customize the cell borders for more border styles, you can click here on more borders. Here there are number of borders shown: double line, single line, then color, as well as the preset buttons also there, outline. See the preview. Inside you can add a specific border. See, this is the switch between the top border, bottom border switch. In this way we can add the different borders to the selected cells. Click on OK. Thanks for watching this video.